So, apparently, the Earth has been sitting on a secret stash of white hydrogen, a clean, naturally occurring fuel just chilling underground like it's waiting for the ultimate treasure hunter. Think of it like nature's VIP bottle service, but instead of champagne, it's pure, explosive energy that doesn't trash the planet. Back in 1859, some dude named Edwin Drake went all Obsessive X on oil drilling, struck black gold in Pennsylvania, and bam! The modern oil age was born. Now, a bunch of new school wildcatters are trying to recreate that Titusville moment, except they're not looking for fossil fuel dinosaurs. Nope, they're hunting hydrogen, the slick, zero-carbon bad boy of the periodic table. Hydrogen, for those who skipped chemistry class, is the smallest, lightest, and most overachieving molecule ever. It stores 3 times more energy than oil, and when you burn it, you don't get smog, pollution, or regret. You get water, as in the stuff you hydrate with after an epic night at McCrarren's. But here's the twist. The green hydrogen people keep hyping, crazy expensive. The blue hydrogen? Still kinda dirty, like it's sneaking out the back door with methane leaks. But this white hydrogen, it's just sitting there, naturally refilling underground like the Earth's own energy savings account. And if just 2% of it is recoverable, it could meet global demand for 2 freaking centuries. That's right, 200 years of clean fuel. Do you know what I could do in 200 years? Everything. Twice. Of course, it's not all high fives and hydrogen-fueled awesomeness. We don't know how much of it we can actually get. It leaks a lot, and methane still lurks in some reservoirs like the creepy guy who won't leave the bar at closing time. But the hype train has officially left the station. Over 60 companies are racing to find the first big score, dropping billions like it's Vegas weekend. Some French dude quit his cushy oil job just to lead the hunt. Drilling rigs are spinning in Australia, the US, and beyond. If they hit it big, it could be the next oil rush, except cleaner, sexier, and way more sustainable. If they don't, well, back to awkwardly explaining why your green hydrogen startup still isn't profitable. Right now, there's only one village in Mali actually using white hydrogen for power, discovered by accident when some guy's cigarette turned a well into a mini hydrogen flamethrower. But the science bros say mountain ranges like the Alps and the Himalayas could be jackpot zones. And because it's 2025, of course there's a startup with 4D Earth mapping tech backed by Bill Gates, already plotting 12 sweet spots in Europe. They're promising hydrogen at less than $1 a kilo by 2030, which is cheaper than most cocktails I've bought. Oil giants are sniffing around too. BP, Chevron, Petrobras, all trying to pivot from dirty fossil fuels to this shiny new clean toy. Heck, they're even talking about orange hydrogen, which sounds like something I'd order at brunch, but it's actually just science trying to one-up itself. But, and it's a big but, the scientists are still like, bro, chill, we don't even know if this stuff replenishes fast enough. Translation, it might be the Holy Grail, or it might just be a hype bubble ready to pop. Bottom line, white hydrogen could be the next big thing in energy. It could make oil look like a Nokia flip phone. But until someone drills into a massive, commercially viable reservoir, it's still a gamble. Do I believe in it? Bro, I believe in suiting up, taking risks, and going big. Because if this hits, we're talking about an energy revolution so awesome, it'll make Drake's oil strike look like a kiddie science project. And that, my friend, is how you turn boring geology into something legendary.